What if I told you this entire ad was made without a camera? No actors, no studio, just AI. Hi, I'm Vectro. Today I'll show you step-by-step how to create your own realistic product advertising video. First, we need a model. You can generate one with any text-to-image AI. I'm using ChatGPT or Sora. I type a smiling woman in a studio light setting, and our model is ready. But I don't have a real product to advertise, so I generated this handbag using Sora. This will be our product for the video. Now let's move on to the main platform of this video, Syntx AI. You can find the link to Syntx in the description below. If you sign up through that link, it also helps me out. So thank you in advance. Now we upload 2 images to Syntx AI, the model and the product. On the right side, choose VO 3.1 fast and ingredients to video. And finally, the prompt. What if this female model promoted my handbag brand named Alara? And that's it. It's really that easy. You can use your own models, your own products, and make it even more creative. Just keep improving your prompts, and you'll create even more powerful ads. Let's try another one. What if a male model promoted my water bottle brand named Hydromax? And that's it. In just a few minutes, you can turn a simple product photo into a cinematic commercial using nothing but AI. We've reached the end of this video. You can start creating your own ad videos by signing up through the link I've shared in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI-powered content. And if you have any questions or got stuck at any step, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll be happy to help. See you in the next one. Bye.